In this tutorial video we will be learning about Single Arbitrary Rotation Gate in BlueCat. We will be doing this in Google Colab. Like we did in previous video, we will start with installation of BlueCat. We can do it by using this code !pip install BlueCat. Type the code that was shown earlier in Google Colab. Then click on play button and BlueCat will be installed. Moving on to the Single Arbitrary Rotation Gate. The arbitrary rotation gate can be rotated at any angle you like. Rx, Ry, Rz gates. Rx, Ry, Rz gates can be implemented by the following. Theta is the rotation angle for each axis. Rx gate. Here we use Rx gate and theta as the rotation angle for each axis. If we run this code, then we will get this as an output, and every time we click play button it will give different output. Let us confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier and click the play button to get the output. Now about Ry gate. Here we use Ry gate, and if we run this code then we will get this as our output. Let us confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier and click the play button to get the output. Rz gate. Here we use Rz gate. If we run this code then the output will be 0. Let us confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier and click the play button to get 0 as the output. U1, U2, U3 gates. U1, U2, U3 gates can be implemented by the following. In U1 we can use U1 gate or phase in the code. U1 gate. As I said earlier, we can use U1 or phase in the code and we will get output as 0. We will confirm this by trying both codes in Google Colab. And we get 0 as the output in both the cases. U2 gate. Here we use U2 gate, and if we run this code we get this as our output. Now let us confirm this. Type the code shown earlier and click the play button and the output is same. U3 gate. Here we use U3 gate, and if we run this code we get this as our output. Now let us confirm this. Type the code shown earlier and click the play button and the output is same. Rx, Ry, Rz gates. These gate rotates the bit around each axis. Here is the matrix of each gates. All the states of one qubit can be composed of this gate combination because it can be rotated around each axis. U1, U2, U3 gates. U1, U2, U3 are represented by the following, respectively. The U1 gate is a general phase gate. U2 uses 2 parameters and U3 uses 3 parameters, so all states can be created. That's all for today. Thank you.